Two familiar teams, Wolverhampton Wanderers against Burnley.
This has the look of a close match to me, Andy.
I am well and truly on the fence today, Mr. Toolsley. I can't separate these two.
What can they create here? Chance maybe. The cross was right down the keeper's throat.
McCann.
Well found. Nothing wrong with that pass. They need a good ball in here. He's had a go! Just rising over the bar.
Keep trying, next one, you never know, might find its way into the back of the net.
Here's Johnson. Ward. Henry. Zuba. Here's Henry. Zuba. Now Henry.
Ford.
Chance here. That cross has gone only to the defender. Didn't even stretch him. Position changes hands. Very quick to cut the ball out. Pushing forward here. Nice pass. Oh, look at this! Looking for goal. Keeper reacted quickly, just as well. He was through there. Defender just got back to make the interception. Doyle. Marnie. Pass easily cut out. Good pass. No way through. Just headed on. They're on the attack here. Good touch. That's the way to deal with those attacks. More pressure here from a corner. Headed goalwards. Didn't strike that at all well, it was miles wide.
Well, look, it's all about the technique. If you don't take care with your technique, how on earth are you going to hit the target?
Zuba. Ford.
Beats the defender. Something on here. Has a header, and that's hit the post. It's in, off the inside of the post.
Yeah, just got a little bit fortunate there.
And he just directed that header so well.
You make your own luck in this business, Clyde. That was a good finish, and it deserved to go in the net.
There again gets his first goal, and it's 1-0 here.
McCann.
Did read that well, didn't he? Patterson, looking to get at the defence here. Good stuff. What can he do here? Everything's under control, they have the ball.
Ford.
Passed on then. Thought he'd never go from way out, and that's nowhere near total miscue.
No, he's got that all wrong, I'm afraid, Clive, and